How to boost your focus. Enhancing focus is like training a muscle in the brain, and with a few simple techniques, you can make a significant difference in your concentration levels. Boosting focus involves adopting practical strategies in your daily routine. And by making these small adjustments, you can build stronger and more resilient focus. Let's explore some easy-to-implement ways to sharpen your focus and achieve your goals more effectively. Number 1. Prioritize tasks. Unlocking your full potential starts with this simple yet powerful principle. Imagine your day as a series of challenges waiting to be conquered. The key to success lies in identifying and honing in on the most important tasks, setting the stage for increased productivity and a sense of accomplishment. You're faced with a to-do list that seems never-ending, a common scenario for many of us. The trick is not to get overwhelmed but to discern which tasks will truly propel you forward. Prioritizing is investing your energy where it matters most. Take a moment to evaluate your tasks, distinguishing between the urgent and the essential. By focusing on the tasks that align with your broader goals, you create a pathway to success. In practical terms, this means breaking down your day into manageable segments. Start by identifying the tasks that contribute most directly to your objectives, and tackle those first. This approach allows you to channel your energy into what truly matters, preventing burnout and fostering a sense of accomplishment. As you tick off these essential tasks, you'll experience a surge in motivation, propelling you to tackle the rest of your to-do list with newfound vigor. Prioritizing tasks is a strategic move that empowers you to make the most of your capabilities. Imagine the satisfaction of completing tasks that align with your goals, each achievement propelling you toward your larger objectives. By adopting this approach, you're unlocking potential and paving the way for a more focused, accomplished version of yourself. Seize the day by prioritizing tasks and watch as your focus sharpens, and your true potential unfolds. 2. Set clear goals. Your goals act as beacons guiding you through the fog, helping you navigate towards success. By defining specific and achievable objectives, you not only create a roadmap for your endeavors but also ignite a fire within to propel you forward. When you set clear goals, you are essentially giving yourself a destination, a purpose to strive for. These goals act as a focal point, allowing you to direct your energy and attention with precision. Instead of wandering aimlessly, you move with intent and purpose, a critical component in enhancing focus. Take a moment to visualize the outcomes you desire and break them down into specific, achievable steps. This process transforms your aspirations into targets, making them more manageable and less overwhelming. Practicality is key when it comes to setting goals. Ensure they are both specific and achievable, like milestones on your path to a larger objective. This approach not only makes your goals more digestible but also provides a clear measure of progress, fueling your motivation along the way. Let your goals be the checkpoints on your journey, each one bringing you closer to the ultimate destination. As you embark on this goal-setting journey, imagine the satisfaction of reaching these milestones. Picture the sense of accomplishment, the pride in knowing that each step is a deliberate move toward aspirations. By setting clear goals, you're not just shaping your future, you're cultivating a mindset that thrives on focus and determination. 3. Create a routine. Think of it as crafting a powerful framework that not only brings order to your day but also supercharges your ability to concentrate. By weaving consistency into your daily life, you're setting the stage for enhanced focus and productivity. A routine acts as a reliable guide, moving you through the day's challenges with efficiency. Start by identifying your most productive hours and allocate them to tasks requiring heightened focus. Whether it's the morning stillness or the late-night quiet, find your sweet spot and structure your routine around it. Picture your routine as the backbone of your day, providing a sense of stability and predictability. This predictability frees up mental space, allowing you to direct your energy toward the tasks at hand without the constant mental juggling. From waking up at a consistent time to dedicating specific blocks for work, leisure, and self-care, your routine becomes the anchor that keeps you grounded amidst life's uncertainties. Practicality is key when crafting a routine. Start small, incorporating activities that bring joy and purpose to your day. As you witness the positive impact on your focus, gradually refine and expand your routine to better suit your evolving needs. Remember, creating a structure empowers you to tackle each day with intention and clarity. As you embark on this journey of routine building, envision the positive transformations in your focus and overall well-being. A well-crafted routine is a powerful tool that propels you toward your true potential. 4. Break tasks into smaller steps. It's like navigating a challenging terrain by focusing on one step at a time, ensuring a smoother journey towards success. By adopting this approach, you not only make tasks more digestible but also supercharge your focus and productivity. Consider tasks as puzzles, and each smaller step as a piece that brings you closer to completion. This method enhances your ability to concentrate because your brain can focus more effectively on smaller, well-defined objectives. It's turning a seemingly insurmountable mountain into a series of manageable hills, making the ascent more achievable and fulfilling. Practicality is key when implementing this strategy. Start by identifying the major components of a task, then break them down into smaller, actionable steps. This systematic approach not only streamlines your workflow but also ensures that you maintain a clear sense of direction. As you adopt this method, you'll find that completing each step becomes a gift in itself. Celebrate these victories, no matter how small, as they contribute to the overall success of the larger task. This process is about progress, not perfection, and every small step forward is a testament to your journey toward unlocking your true potential. Embrace the power of breaking tasks into smaller steps. Witness how this method not only sharpens your focus but also propels you toward a more accomplished and empowered version of yourself. Take on the challenges with a positive mindset, one step at a time, and watch as your true potential unfolds. 5. Eliminate distractions. Your phone, the constant companion that it is, can often be a well-intentioned saboteur. By silencing those beeps and buzzers, you're reclaiming your mental space and putting the power back in your hands. Imagine the freedom of not being at the mercy of every ping. Now, let's talk Workspace. A quiet oasis for your thoughts can make all the difference. Seek out a space where the outside world fades away, allowing your mind to fully engage with the task at hand. This might mean finding a cozy nook at home, a serene corner in the office, or even a tranquil spot in nature if circumstances allow. Your surroundings play a pivotal role in shaping your focus. As you embark on this journey, remember that this is about creating an environment that fosters your success. By taking charge of your notifications and curating a dedicated workspace, you're not just enhancing focus, you're unveiling a reservoir of untapped potential. This is your path to unlocking the true force of your capabilities. Seize the opportunity to shape your surroundings, and watch as your concentration becomes a force to be reckoned with. The journey toward a more focused, empowered you begins now. Elevate your financial knowledge with BrailleNavy.com. Subscribe today and unlock the path to financial abundance. Don't wait, start your journey now. 6. Take breaks. In the pursuit of unleashing your full potential and supercharging your focus, there's a simple yet powerful strategy that often gets overlooked: taking breaks. Yes, you heard it right. Understanding that your mind, like any high-performance engine, needs moments to cool down and revitalize is key. Consider your workday as a series of sprints rather than a marathon. Scheduling short breaks throughout the day is a strategic move to ensure sustained, high-quality focus. Think of it as a pit stop for your mental race car, allowing it to refuel and perform at its best. During these breaks, step away from your desk, stretch your legs, and let your mind wander. It's in these moments of reprieve that your creativity can blossom, and your energy reserves get a boost. Whether it's a brisk walk, a bit of deep breathing, or a quick chat with a colleague, these interludes are like mini rejuvenations for your brain. By incorporating these intentional breaks into your routine, you're not just preventing burnout, you're optimizing your cognitive machinery. It's a strategic move to enhance your overall productivity and well-being. Embrace the power of breaks, and watch as you transform your workday into a journey of productivity and fulfillment. Your optimal self awaits, one break at a time. 7. Use tools and apps. Imagine having digital allies that keep you organized and enhance your efficiency, making each day more productive. Let's talk about the power of tools. In a world filled with information and tasks vying for your attention, staying organized can be a challenge. That's where productivity tools come in. These digital sidekicks are designed to streamline your workflow, helping you cut through the noise and focus on what truly matters. Consider task management apps as your personal command center. They let you list your tasks, set priorities, and track your progress, turning your to-do list into a roadmap for success. The satisfaction of completing tasks, knowing you're making strides towards your goals, is a tangible reward. Calendar apps are another invaluable tool. They help you schedule your day with precision, ensuring important meetings, deadlines, and personal commitments are seamlessly integrated. It's regaining control of your schedule and, in turn, your focus. Now, imagine having a digital brain to remember things for you. Note-taking apps can capture your brilliant ideas, important details, and inspirations on the go. No more lost thoughts or missed opportunities, just a well-organized vault of your genius moments. By embracing these productivity tools, you're not just keeping pace with the demands of modern life, you're taking the lead. It's leveraging to enhance your efficiency and effectiveness. As you integrate these tools into your routine, watch how your days become more structured, tasks more manageable, and your focus sharper. Your journey towards unlocking your true potential is just a few clicks away. Seize the power of productivity tools and step confidently into a world where success is a well-orchestrated journey. 8. Get enough sleep. Yes, it's time to recognize that a good night's sleep is a powerful tool for success. Consider this as prioritizing your mental recharge. When you focus on getting adequate and quality sleep, you're allowing your brain to perform at its peak. Think of your mind as a superhero. Sleep is its secret lair where it rejuvenates and recharges. Create a sleep sanctuary, a comfortable, dark, and quiet space where your mind can unwind. Adequate sleep is unlocking your true potential. It's the foundation upon which your focus, decision-making, and overall well-being thrive. Picture waking up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Ensure you view sleep as a non-negotiable ally in your journey towards success. By getting enough quality sleep, you're not just investing in rest, you're investing in your future self. It's about recognizing that quality rest is a catalyst for peak performance. So, as you embark on the path to unlocking your true potential, remember that a good night's sleep is not a luxury reserved for a lucky few. It's a choice, a powerful one that empowers you to face each day with clarity, focus, and the energy needed to turn your dreams into reality. Sleep well, and watch as your journey towards a more focused and fulfilled you unfolds with each sunrise. 9. Set deadlines. When you establish realistic deadlines for tasks, you're not just setting boundaries, you're creating a roadmap that leads straight to your goals. This is your chance to transform the way you approach tasks, turning them from daunting challenges into manageable steps towards success. Consider this as your personal empowerment strategy. Setting deadlines is giving yourself the gift of structure and focus. Each deadline becomes a stepping stone, propelling you forward with purpose and direction. It's about harnessing time as your ally. Create a realistic schedule that aligns with your goals. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more achievable steps, each with its own deadline. It's maximizing your efficiency and productivity. By embracing the power of deadlines, you're not just adding a sense of urgency to your tasks, you're instilling a sense of purpose. This isn't overwhelming yourself with arbitrary dates. It's setting realistic milestones that empower you to track your progress and celebrate achievements along the way. Set deadlines as your companions on this journey, guiding you toward a future where your focus is laser-sharp, and your true potential is fully realized. 10. Use a to-do list. In unlocking your true potential and elevating focus, there's a simple yet highly effective strategy: using a to-do list. It's your roadmap to success, a tool that empowers you to stay organized and on track. Imagine a to-do list as your personal assistant, helping you conquer your day with purpose and precision. By organizing tasks, you're creating a clear path to achieving your goals. Consider this your daily ally. It's more than a reminder. It's a powerful strategy to keep your mind focused and free from the clutter of forgotten tasks. Picture the satisfaction of ticking off completed items, a visual representation of progress and accomplishment. Create your list as a compass for the day. Break down larger goals into manageable tasks and prioritize them based on importance. This is about strategically organizing your day for maximum impact. By incorporating a to-do list into your routine, you're not just managing tasks, you're taking control of your time and energy. It's setting realistic goals and setting yourself up for success. Picture a life where each day begins with a clear plan and ends with a sense of achievement. 11. Declutter your workspace. A cluttered desk isn't just a mess, it's a potential distraction that can hinder your focus. When you declutter your workspace, you're not just organizing things, you're creating a conducive environment for your mind to thrive. Consider this as your daily reset button. A tidy workspace is a signal to your brain that it's time to focus. Picture the feeling of walking into a clean, uncluttered space, It's like stepping onto a clear path toward productivity. Create a system that works for you. Organize your essentials, clear out unnecessary items, and keep your workspace a dedicated zone for your tasks. This is setting the stage for your personal accomplishments each day. By decluttering your workspace, you're fostering a focused mindset. It's strategically removing distractions and making room for your brilliance to shine. Picture a workspace where everything has its place, where you can easily locate what you need, and where your mind can fully engage with the task at hand. It's in this tidy haven that your true potential has the space to unfold. 12. Learn to say no. Learning to say no is a mindful choice to prioritize tasks and decline unnecessary commitments, paving the way for a more focused and fulfilling life. Imagine this as your tool against the barrage of demands on your time and energy. Saying no is setting boundaries and respecting your priorities. Consider this as your key to unlocking productivity. When you prioritize tasks, you're not just managing your schedule, you're crafting a deliberate path toward success. Create a system for assessing requests and commitments. Ask yourself if a new task aligns with your goals and if taking it on would compromise your focus. This is cultivating the ability to discern between what's essential and what can be delegated or declined. By learning to say no, you're creating the space needed for your true potential to flourish. Take charge of your time, prioritize tasks aligned with your goals, and witness the transformative power of learning to say no. Improving your focus is like getting better at a skill. It takes practice and effort, but it's definitely doable. The strategies I'm talking about provide a roadmap to make your life more productive and satisfying. Think of setting clear goals and organizing tasks as your personal guide, helping you navigate through the daily challenges. It's like having a compass pointing you in the right direction. Little changes also play a big role. Taking breaks, staying hydrated, and reducing distractions might seem small, but together, they make your focus stronger. Remember, this is moving forward step by step. Everyone's journey to better focus is unique. Try different things, see what works for you, and adjust the methods to fit your lifestyle. Developing a focused mindset is about progress, not being flawless. Celebrate the small wins, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. They're chances to learn and grow. With commitment and patience, you'll notice improvements in your concentration, productivity, and a sense of accomplishment in various areas of your life. Building focus is a powerful tool that helps you face life's challenges with strength and purpose. As you go through this journey, keep in mind that every small step you take contributes to your overall progress. By sticking to these practices, you're not just optimizing productivity, but also adding richness to your daily experiences and achievements.